How to change TikTok password on PC. So if you want to change TikTok password on PC, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your browser. Now on your browser, you need to just go with search, and under search, you need to search for TikTok. Once you search for TikTok, you need to go with www.tiktok.com, and if you have the application, you can also go with the application also. Now you need to just go with logout, and once you've logged out, what you need to do, but before that, make sure to click on send code. So click on send code. Once you click on send code, that will send you the code to your mail address that you've just entered. So you just need to simply open up your Gmail, and here you'll receive the verification code. Just simply copy the verification code from here and then paste it right there and enter your new password. And after that, go with login and your account will be logged in. So that's how you can change your password on TikTok on your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.